See, in a life, you always will get fight. Sometimes you gotta ask God why. But you just have to always be patient. And just always hold the faith. Cause you see some days when you think you can't make it out, and you finally make it out, that's worth it.
I think I need a time off. Just wanna get my life together. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. You're out here windy. Oh God, beer, beer thing I go on. I have to blow off and beer something. Right now, me out here on the beach. So. On the beach in your backyard. Live right us on the beach near your backyard. Beer. Yeah, beer water me here run. No. Don't. Very, very nice view. Spectacular. Immaculate. Now like you know. From there, this is the smallest post me ever see. This is the smallest post me ever see. Yeah. Come wrap up the post already. Made big on the post. How we post? Dog day in here. And I can't take a dog bite right now. So I'm hurry up and dig this and come out here. Let me go walk you know so. Let me see. Yo, I just dig you all little while. I'm tired, I can't even run. I mean, I don't know which by dog there. Because they are big, you know. I want to see if I can hide him out and get away. See Jason him the way down there so. And then I know me in a danger over here. Because dog look for me. What that? No dog that. Oh Jesus. See them there? They spot me to rot it away big on there. You're friendly or no good? I made friends. Why Jason never go come in there, you know? Think your dog bad. Hey boy. Who you think you're talking to? Who you think you're dealing with? Who you think you're dealing with, my lad? Who you think you're dealing with? So today we're in Burger King. The boy Jason throwing from here over there for the king of Burger King right now. So brother, I don't know where you want to know. You know, for close to where you want. If you have a ranch when you buy nuggets, if you have a ranch.
No, we have no ranch.
I just eat the burger and my belly kind of bubble weirdly. I know where the bubble I mean, you know. Yo, me just a step on my big toe and I pray nothing forward. Because I don't like the sound, yeah. Damn. Boy, David up here so. Yo, my belly start bubbling now, dog. I burger, dog. Jesus, God, man, me say my belly start bubbling. Yo.
I don't know if I just right dig though, but just see stand up beside this, so I start digging.
So go and dig your wrong post. Watch my look for me. Yo, people. Whether me eat deer for the first time, eat some curry deer. After, oh, what's the next one there right there now, push? After me eat the curry deer, me just start pre-deer differently. See if me for run. I don't want to look like you want to rush me so. Hey, watch it. I don't fool like what I want to same big idiot to make bombard Mufasa dead in a Lion King. I believe I can fly. So I forward to look on this, but Me not think this for there so still, you know. Come follow it and so elite too. Me not think that's supposed to be there so. I don't think that's supposed to be right there. That nothing there so. Yo, I wish I saw where that stay. The extended stay in the hotel here. Them have stove, the big fridge, them have the big room, them have everything. Basically have a room, have a kitchen in this. Imagine people cooking when we are cooking at this. Lord God. Yo, what with the geese here runner come down here, so go dog? I just a runner come down the road, so.
Yeah.
See me now? You know him?
Walk with me. You ever seen the man curry?
Hmm?
You ever seen the man curry?
No. Yo, my get lit down, Jay. You can't fly? I wonder if I geese.
I walk up tonight.
You may have a geese of Florida and I him. I also no geese this.
Walk from now.
Hey, take time and watch the road, me G. Jesus Christ, the one they kill him. Run, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up, alright.
So walk cooking on me.
Survive. Go and chat the road, me G. Walk good. David him reach on top of the mountain. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Sun is out same way. Oh. You know, so from down there, so me I say. Me never go come up here because they don't look like say they in a bush. Fully dig. Now me I go way down there, so feel last one. You walk up the hill. I'm tired. Me tired. Yo, why two chairs there out here? In a Migland nowhere, two chairs there. That weird. Also, white people dead in a movie. Me mind my business. Go about my business. The post me I go dig. What's so much fly there out here? It's my butt loss.
See in a life, you always gonna get fight. Sometimes you gotta ask God why. But you just have to always be patient. And just always hold the faith. Cause you see some days when you think you can't make it out, you finally make it out, that's worth it.
I think I need a time off. Just wanna get my life together. Yeah, man, a born fighter.